Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Laura and this is Small Stuff Big Family. In today's video we are adding to our farm family here and we are getting some baby chicks. I think we're getting about a dozen of them today. Now some of the type of chicks that I know that we want to get, I know that they don't have in the stores yet. Mark has kind of been shopping around at our local like farm stores, and one of the types of chicks that I know that we want, they do not have at the stores just yet. So we may be adding a few more yet in April so we can get some of that type of chicken. It's the ones with like the really crazy like feathers on top of their head. We had a few of those last year for some of you that might remember that. But yeah, let me go introduce you to our existing little flock and then we'll get going to go get the babies. That one's so pretty. I had a cat rub it on me too. I said, here chick, 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 and she heard here cat, 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 I think. Go get some baby chicks? Let's go. We'll stay up there with Dad. Oh, here they are.
These are turkeys.
Turkey? Oh, look how cute they are. Oh. Look at them. Which ones do you like, Paige? What's it say, Paige? Read the sign and see what it says.
Yeah, but
you want the little brown one?
Yeah, I want that one.
That's a Rhode Island red. That's one of the kinds that Dad said he wants. I want some of these little red-headed ones.
That's my pick, actually.
I want some of these little red-headed ones because they're good egg layers too. Oh, goodness.
In the offer of the...
I see. I see everything.
Are they peeping at you? Be careful.
She's gonna get some of these.
Hold it real careful.
What?
Little tiny babies in there.
Mom, like, can I say what things I'm getting? I don't know what to say. I'm carrying a shirt for these.
You're getting some of those guys?
I think they look cute.
Those are cute. Are they good egg layers?
I don't know.
Hope it is your
A lot of guys in there, huh? Got your little red chickies in there? What do you think? You're gonna hold them or you want Mommy to hold those?
Mama.
Are you nervous?
I'm gonna pee on me.
They're not gonna pee on you through the box. You hold them when we get home, maybe. You wanna hold the one when we get home? Okay. Can you hear them in there? Let's go take them home. We gotta get their straw.
part right here. Bag of feed. I remember putting you in the park. Are you a chicken?
Oh, mine pooped already. They're trying to peck through the cardboard.
I'm watching.
What are yours doing back there, KK?
I'm opening now. He's like, hey, y'all.
First car ride. All right, you want to put them in their little play pen? This can be their play area before we put them in their permanent home. Chelsea, tell us their names when you put them in their little play pen. We named them already.
Gabriella. This one was, what was that one? No, I think this one was the raccoon.
Bandit.
Yeah, Bandit. This one's Gabriella. Oh, what was her name? Lila. And the last one, oh yeah, Fluffy. Because she was so fluffy.
Call her Leroy.
No.
Fluffy.
That was Throw.
Who's that, Pace?
Eleanor.
Eleanor.
And then Night. Tried to escape.
Oh, he's dark. He or
Yeah,
she.
that's why it's night. Thunder.
That one's called Thunder.
Thunder.
I hope it poops on you.
No. That was my good hoodie. No. Glitter.
Glitter. Is that all yours?
Yeah.
Okay. I've claimed this one as my favorite. This is DJ, which stands for Dorothy Jr. Because Dorothy was my favorite chick, or chicken. And then Howdy killed her.
You should kill Howdy.
Oh look, she doesn't even want to get off of me.
That
Come
was-
on, get down
That
there
was
with your
like
friends.
mine. Well, that's like mine last year. It just fell in love with me.
Oh. This one right here, we're naming Lexi because it's the littlest one and it's pretty sassy. The whole time home in the box, he was like, or she was pecking at her siblings.
Sounds like her. Sounds like her, Lola.
Lexi's holding the last two, and that's Sunny and Cher.
Which one's which?
Even though they're both supposed to be girls, we can't really tell. Those two look a lot alike. So they're Sunny and Cher.
They're twins.
What do you think, Lex? She's not super sure about it. That's why she's sitting on Dad's lap.
We go through this every time we get chicks.
Chelsea, you got something on your head.
I know. She's the Among Us character. She's the Among Us hat.
That's your Among Us hat?
No. Oh, I feel something cold.
Did it poop on
Probably
you?
pee.
I don't know if it was pee or not. You are one weird chick.
Here, put it in the box.
Here, you can go like an ox. Nice. Run like an ox.
Ooh, see, that was Lexi.
Look,
Told you.
Survived.
Lexi, quit pecking me.
Watch, Lex. Put your hand in there again, Pace.
Oh, she's
Watch
cleaning
Lexi.
that one little chick.
See? Pet it, Lex. Pet its back. She's a gentle one. She's not gonna peck you.
She's not doing it, Lex. It's a white thing.
They say, hey, where's the food? This thing's supposed to be filled with food. Where is it? You guys like your new home? Here comes the food. Chick, chick, chicks. Who's smart enough to find food first? Oh, there we go. I think they're all pretty content with their new little home. We're gonna leave them be, let them get used to it, eat, get warmed up. You got their water over here. So cute. I hope that you guys enjoyed bringing home our new baby chicks. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more. We will keep you updated on how they're doing in the future, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Chicks, say bye-bye.